Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. In case you're new here, my name is Carol, a Ugandan girl working and living in UAE. Please make yourself comfortable. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. It means a lot, you guys. And please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends and tell them to subscribe. The reason why I'm here, yesterday I made lunch and I filmed everything that I made for you guys. So I decided to come here and make an intro, and then I take you through the whole process of me preparing lunch for my family. Let's go and see what I made yesterday. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. In case you're new here, please don't forget subscribe, like this video, and turn on a post notification. You will be notified when I upload a new video, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.